The car?
Woo! That's funny. Alright, what's wrong with your umbrella? What's wrong with your umbrella?
It's broken.
It's
broken.
Where?
Right here.
Right there? So, today, we're going to fix it with a box cutter, a clipper, and the most important part, a bread tie.
A bread tie?
Huh?
A bread tie?
Yeah.
What's a bread tie?
This. You tie it around the bread bag.
Oh, it looked like you can eat bread. You know that? Sound like it's bread.
So, here we go. If this thing stops being blurry. It's really blurry. But when we come back, it's going to be nice and clear. There you go. I think it was listening to me. So let's see if we can fix the umbrella, right?
Yes. Guys, we're not done yet. See? You got most of it. It is not finished.
Alright, show. Here. So, show them how much we shaved off. Show them the wire. So, see the wire? Guys, shave a decent amount of it off. And now, we're going to try to fix it. So, if you look, it has... No, we're showing them this.
Okay.
So, if you look, it has a hole through there.
Yeah, you put it like this.
But you got to put it down in here first. Then you just close it a little bit. Close it a little bit. Right.
Close it here.
Then you fish it through there. Did you get it? No? Alright, let Daddy try.
I got it in. It's not going.
It's not going? No, let me try. Let me try.
Not going.
Hold up here. Come on now. You hold right here. Alright. You got it?
Yes.
Alright. So you're gonna get it. Push it through there. Push it all the way through. Then
Marshall.
Then we're gonna wrap it around.
Marshall.
Would you like to do the honors of cutting it?
Oh yeah, I like doing that.
Wait, let me show you where to cut it at. You got a hole right? Oh boy. Alright, cut it right here. Cut it. There you go. Let me trim it though. Alright now, try your umbrella. Ooh, how's it under?
Good.
It's good? Yeah?
Everybody can come under and my daddy.
Yeah.
You like it, everybody? It's Paw Patrol.
I like it very much, but it's sitting right on top of my head. There you go. So, tell them. Don't forget to
like, share,
subscribe.
Subscribe.
And we do cool little stuff like this. We go tubing in the snow. We go bike riding. We go traveling. We do a lot of cool stuff. So here we go. Now he's got a almost new umbrella. Where is it at? Show me where you fix. Show me the part that you get fixed. Can't even find it. Can't even find it. It's like new again. Look at that. Look at that. Can't even find it. But if you hold it like that, you're gonna break them again.
It's right here.
It's right there?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, it's working now, right?
Yes.
You happy?
Yep.
Yeah?
Yes.
Alright, give me a high five. Alright.